Hello. Today in this video we have to perform a TCL command in our SQL prompt. As we know, I have to use a Oracle 11G to perform a TCL and DCL command. So first of all, start with connect with the SQL server. My username is system and password is 123. Now I connected to with Oracle database. In our previous video, we have to discuss a TCL command like commit, save point and rollback. In this video, at last we have to show a exercise. So here we follow or consider the same exercise. In this exercise, the first exercise is to create a student table which is having a 5 different column. So I just create a table name as student. The query of create table name is student, which is having a 5 different column student ID with the data type or student name with data type and size. After branch, data type and size. After the branch column, we have a city, data type and size. After city, last is DOB, date of birth, which is having a date data type. So for the creating a student table, the query of create table is create table name with the column list is student ID, student name, branch, city and date of birth. Now put the enter. In the MySQL, I already have a student table. So I want to change a name of table is student info. So I have successfully create the table. If I want to see my structure of the table, then write a command desc after table name. Then it give a describe the table with column name and data type. Now our second exercise is to insert 10 records in student table. So I perform the insert query like insert into student underscore info, which is our table name. Student ID is values. Student ID is 1. Student name I have to write Dhruvi. After student name, which is having a branch column, I have insert the computer. After city, I have to insert the Junagadh and date of birth. For example, this kind of data I have to insert. I'll get an error in the date of the column. So which kind of date format we have to prefer? Let us try the next format. Also again got the error. So I have tried the another method in the both the format of the date 7 June 1986. Okay, let us check. Column not allowed here. So, successfully we have to insert a one record. So, same, we have to insert a 10 different records in your exercise, but right now I have to insert only 5 records for our reference. I have to change some of the data is here, you can see that. After put the insert, second row created. Third one data. Enter. Third one record is inserted. Let's do with same. Fourth one record is inserted, and at last I have to insert a fifth record. So after inserting a fifth record, let us show successfully inserted 5 records or not, or display this all the records. For that I have to perform a select operations, select star from student info. So you can see the output which is inserted by me in our above query. Our next exercise is to perform a commit. I have write the commit. Let us see. Output commit completed. Okay. After that we have to again select our table. Same output got. Okay. After commit we have to perform a one delete operations from the student info table where branch equals to computer. So delete from student underscore info where our column name is branch equals to computer. Here are the 3 rows available with the computer branch, or 3 database available with the computer branch. See what will be the output. 3 row deleted. First one is student ID with 1, student ID with 4 and student ID with 5 records are deleted. Say the output. Got it? Here are the only 2 records available, 2 and 3. So right now in our next exercise we make a rollback to our delete operation. So we have to perform our another TCL command is rollback. Just write simply rollback. Output is rollback completed. Let us see the output. What is the rollback perform? You can see the output. All the deleted record is come back, or transactions of the delete is cancel. Operation of the delete is cancel. Clear? Clear? I think these are the clear from the our exercise. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.